Introduction of tool-soQMet. Noise level of sound system is needed to comply and achieve the minimum recommendation of Malaysia standard. The noise level for the selected places were obtained and the result was analyzed by using the tool-soQMet. As the result, there are places complying with the standard and some places fail to follow the minimum recommendation level. From this project, there are several places needed to give attention and do fast correction, action, and maintenance.
Clap.
The objective of tool-soQMet. Producing the tool-soQMet, which is an Excel basic system. The tool-soQMet is developed to provide instant and easy monitoring tools of noise level.
Clap.
Product description. The tool-soQMet is an Excel basic system which is developed to provide instant and easy monitoring tools of noise. Initially, direct measurement of noise is done by using sound level meter. The handy and user-friendly for quick and easy collection data at any place and time. Then, data are keyed into the tool-soQMet. Finally, the system file provide users on the noise level.
Clap.
Commercialization potential of tool-soQMet. Based on physical appearance, tool-soQMet is practically useful to the maintenance department, which make them easier to work whether the sound quality is poor or good. Apart of that, tool-soQMet can be used for other departments and industries to monitor the noise level at their workplace. It helps them to take early correction action to make sure the work can be continued and lead to the cost saving due to maintenance.
Benefits of tool-soQMet. tool-soQMet will help to assess noise level at working place as an indicator for the hearing comfort. tool-soQMet is very useful to the place like factory and power plant, which running 24 hours. Academic block, which teaching and learning during day and night, and others. tool-soQMet can be as troubleshooters to minimize the bigger problems in future, such as hearing problem like deaf. Novelty of tool-soQMet. tool-soQMet is a tool to help in determining the noise level and directly determine the compliancy of Malaysia standard. Also, it is provide an instant and easy tool to analyze the data from the scratch and then produce the result indicator of the noise level.